Hey everybody, Tony from GenRight Off-Road, and we're proud to introduce our brand new steering system. This is something we've been running on our in-house GenRight vehicles for a number of years. So not only racing, but just general off-roading, and really figured out the right combination of parts that makes it work. We're all running bigger tires, different engine combinations, bigger axles, right? Everything's changed. And when you do all that stuff, you need to find something that really goes together and goes together well on your vehicle. Well, this is it. And I'm happy to present it to you guys and offer it to you guys. Again, this is one of those components that I did for myself, and now we're offering the exact same thing to you guys. So let's go through a number of questions that we've received to talk about where this fits and what this doesn't do. Remember, this was designed to go on the front of a Curry axle, right? A big Dana 60 or 70. So that's got different knuckles, that requires different steering. In our case, we use high steer chromoly, which has FK rod ends, big bolts, 3/4 inch bolts. So those are some of the things that you need to consider when you are buying a system like this. All right, we specifically designed this steering box to work with JK and JLJT. Now, they're not the same box. Those are two different boxes, right? They have a different mounting pattern on them. Physically, the components inside the box are the same, and this will also work with the JL eTorque, the 3.6 eTorque. We're using the super reliable American-made Saginaw box. These are the gold standard for steering, and they give us all the capability to build you the best possible box. We've reversed it because normally the pitman arm, say like on a TJ, would be going backwards. Now it goes forwards, which is called reverse. We extended it and machine this entire thing and then reassemble it. So it's a very high quality, all American made box that we spent an extensive amount of time and money building all the fixturing for. One of the things that makes this an entirely new approach to steering is the fact that because it's built on the Saginaw platform, it's completely tunable. And what I mean by that is you can change the feel of the steering wheel. You can make it very light and easy, or you can add a little bit of heaviness to it so that when you're going down the highway, you know, it's not real twitchy. You can just have it be nice and smooth. That is a dominant and predominant Saginaw feature. And to me, as a driver, that was very, very important. This entire system is rebuildable. All these components are readily available, and because the box and the housing and everything about it was machined with tight tolerances, that gives you the ability to rebuild this over time. All right, one of the questions we got was, does this come with a stronger sector shaft? So this sector shaft is a very strong shaft. In fact, it's the same one used in many trophy truck steering boxes. We tried 300M, we've tried a bunch of different materials over the years, and we chose this one because it's the one that lasts and it won't fail. That's a very important aspect of it. Also, don't forget the fact that its ram assist takes 80% of the load off the sector shaft. So that really helps extend the life and give you redundancy. The fact that if something were to happen to the sector shaft, you still have the ram to help get you off the trail. All right, next is the pump. Your stock pump moves about 2 gallons a minute. This high volume, high pressure pump is 4 gallons a minute and 1900 PSI. So you're talking about a much more high performance pump, and then put on a better pulley, a billet pulley. All of these things are gonna make this thing perform because it's gotta give the pressure and volume you need to this entire system. Next is the reservoir. This reservoir is a special design of baffles inside so that when the fluid returns, it doesn't just pump back into the bottom and bubble up and create a bunch of air bubbles in the fluid. It squirts in and rotates around and actually flattens the oil by taking the air out of it. So by the time it's resent to the pump from this big port on the bottom, it's all air-free and just what the system needs. Having air in the system creates heat, so you got to take that out. This also has a pressurized cap, which helps keep pressure on the system and feed the pump. So again, another one of these nice things that these guys have figured out. And nice billet aluminum mounting brackets that allow you to put the reservoir wherever you need to. Really, really nice touches. All the fittings that you need and hoses, which are all high quality. You're getting the best of everything that's available. So very important, including a 4-pass power steering cooler. I like this style because it's restriction free. When you look at some of the other ones on the market, they're a log and the fluid just flows in and then some of it works its way out. The cooling is not proper. This style, you can mount up close to the radiator and the fan is pulling air through it and you really get the temperature reduction that you're looking for. The big bore box is an excellent solution for most people, okay? But once you move beyond that, right, beyond 37-inch tires and you just want to bolt something in that's simple and works good, like we do in our stage 1, big box, perfect solution, okay? But now you tell me, oh, I put an LS or a Hemi in, guess what? Big box doesn't fit, okay? Or you're going to 42-inch tires, guys, you need ram assist. And then what happens is the pump can't keep up with everything. This is a match system, and this will give you the highest performance, the best steering. It's responsive. You get the feedback that you need, and all of that is a critical part to helping you be a better driver. And I want to assure everybody that we have trail tested this, raced on it over the last 20 years, and we are absolutely positive that this is the best box you'll ever be able to buy.